Hi everybody. I have some shrimp. So I'm eating these shrimp. I got these from Costco. And I cooked them up myself. Got a couple chicken wings on my plate, but you know, that's neither here nor there. And I got my coldest water bottle. You can see the link in the description box if you want to get one. I got my 2-time spicy sauce, just for a little added flavor and taste. Not that I need it, because you know I'm a cook. And I season up my shrimp really well. And remember, when you use this sauce, you only but a little bit now. This ain't for the weak. This sauce be thick sometimes. I don't know how that be running. I guess when you let it sit up for a while, that's how it be. But anywho, how have y'all been? Sorry. It was good. It was good. It was really good. I have for sure seen better days. I told y'all last week about the passing of my grandma. So we had her services this past weekend, and you know, emotions and things were to be expected, as expected. You know, we got through it. Ooh, it's never easy going through that. It is never easy. But, you know, here we are. So, anyway, we ain't finna be on that note today. I ain't in the mood. This shrimp bigger than my mouth. Just about. Hallelujah. Y'all, did y'all see the pastor that was arrested here in Tampa for having service and had thousands of people come to the church, and the people went on Sunday? I love God and his son. But what I wasn't gonna do is, when the folks said don't go nowhere, that's what they meant. Nah, my Lord. What is wrong with people? All you gotta do is listen. How hard is it to listen? I don't understand that. How you just can't listen? So he might be out now because his bill was only $500. So we're sure they got him. So I advise y'all to stay in the house. If you ain't got to go nowhere, buy groceries and do something that's essential. And essential means, you know, go to the doctor and not be going to the doctor just to, you know, make appointments just because you want to make one. I'm talking about going to the doctor because you have to, which is extremely important. Stay your tail at the house. You got, if you ain't got to go get no groceries, go pick up some medication. Go to work. Something, you know, that's got to be done. Stay at home. It's important. People out here dying, like for real. And the people out here dying getting younger and younger. So at first they were saying, you know, the people they was worried the most about the most was the older people. And these victims are getting younger and younger. They had a baby, got a baby, they died from it. People in their 30s, younger. You know, so y'all better park it. Act like you know what's important out here. Stop playing games. It ain't that deep. Shoot, I want to be traveling and doing stuff just like everybody else. But I know when these people say get somewhere and sit down, that's what they mean. They say it means to get somewhere and sit down. So let's all get somewhere and have a seat. I don't know why I do this all the time. I get to the table without damn paper towel. Not a one. Especially when I'm eating something spicy. You know I need to wipe my hands and things. Ridiculous. I don't get it. A good friend of mine called me yesterday and she was talking about how things was on her end, and it's just insane. This stuff is real out here. And how these jobs are just have no regard for people. Just doing them any kind of way how their employees, some of these jobs are treating their employees just like nothing. It's just ridiculous. They treat these people like they don't even matter. Like, sorry, but oh well. Like, I just couldn't imagine being in charge and telling somebody, you know, we're in crisis right now. And I know you probably got the disease or the virus, but I'm gonna need you to come on to work. Or you got whatever, but I still need you to come on to work. Now, what kind of foolishness is that? If you don't come in, we ain't paying you. See, with my mouth set up, there's gonna be trouble from somebody. And I feel bad for these folks, you know? It's sad. People getting their hours cut at work. Whew, it really is. It's sad, man. But one thing we do know, joy will come in the morning. I ain't talking about joy pride. I'm talking about joy. God's joy will come in the morning. I know I ain't finna go preach a sermon or nothing, so everybody relax. I'm just saying. Had to give you something to look forward to, because sometimes, you know, when you're in crisis, you can't think for yourself. You need somebody to tell you something Open your eyes because you can't see the forest for the trees, you know? So I'm just letting you know, joy will come in the morning. And don't take that literally. Right now, it's a tough situation, but you know, things will change. So anyway, joy will come in the morning. Paper towel. Y'all excuse my head, honey. That deep conditioning. Did a little protective style. Cool. I want my hair to be out right now. I wanted to just, you know, twist it up and let it do its thing. It's time to take a break. Cause I wear it out daily, you know, so I was like, oh, let's just give it a break. Let it rest on. That was a lot. Well, this sauce coming out fast. Anyway, I'm trying to decide if I want to keep going to physical therapy while we got this thing going on, because it's not essential, you know? Pardon moi. Because it would be different if I had like been in an accident or something and my hip was like, you know, like I was needing to rehab my hip. I do need to rehab it, but it's not like, you know, it's broke up or nothing. It is bothering me, but it's not like hurting. And I've been keeping up with my stretches at home. So I feel like I can do without it. I don't know what I want to do, you know? Especially with us being in lockdown, because we got a curfew now in Tampa. So that's why, oh, I forgot to tell y'all that part about why the pastor got arrested. So, we're on curfew in Tampa, in Hillsborough County. So, when the pastor, he broke the curfew and he broke the stay, what is it, better at home order or whatever you call it. He broke that order by having hundreds of, well, not say hundreds of thousands, but thousands of people at the church had 2 services. So he broke all that order, just no regard for it. And so that's why he got arrested. So, and then on the weekends, the order's 24 hours. So Monday through Friday, it's 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then on the weekends, it's 24 hours. So he just really went all around that. Just like, well, whatever. So, you know. But yeah, so we on this little thing. Orlando had been on it for about, I think about a week. So We knew it was coming for us because we right next door to them. And we're one of the bigger cities too. So Miami, we don't know what they're gonna do. I don't know if they on lockdown or not. They might not ever get on lockdown. But the sooner the better, folks. Cause I got some trips I want to take. I did see something funny. Something along the lines of, when outside open back up, I'm gonna let the first few people, I'm gonna let somebody else go first and then see how y'all do. And then I'll go next. And I feel like that's maybe what I might do that. Let some other folks go on these trips first. See how they do. Wait a few months, see, anybody get the Rona, get the runs, get the anything. I'm like, all right, I booked mine. Test it out, Cause I still miss traveling. I'm supposed to be in the air this weekend, child. And I'm gonna be sitting stationary. But I'd rather be here and be safe. So I ain't complaining. You know what I'm saying? Cause some people just been going all outrageous. It's ridiculous. I should be able to do whatever I want to do and be able to do this and blah, 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 blah. Just bucking the whole system. But honey, if you feel that way, well, just, okay. You need to build you a little compound out somewhere. And have your own little rules. But you won't have to have all the money in the world to be able to do all that. Cause when you come out here in these streets, you're gonna have to comply. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my God, this new medicine I just cannot eat. I'm so glad this is the last shrimp because I'm full. I really can't taste. It's not that I can't taste it. Like, I don't have a taste for food or the desire to eat. I eat because I know I need to. But I'm trying to make it exciting by putting the sauce on it. But my God. I feel like I've been chewing for 8 days. Like, eating is becoming a chore for me. And the medicine is helping. It's for my migraines. So I get really bad migraines. I'm talking about migraines where they last days. Not like a few hours. I'm talking about go to sleep with a migraine, wake up with a migraine all day long. Days on end. One time I had a migraine so bad, it was lasting like, I had a headache every day for 3 months straight. It was bad. Horrible. But I'm all good now with this new medicine. I haven't had anything. I had a little bit of stress on me. When my grandma passed, whatever. Some anxiety and stuff. But that subsided and then I didn't get any headaches. And then I noticed I haven't been eating. I guess it's because, I know it's because of the medicine. When I have anxiety or when I'm stressed about something, I don't eat. Like, so most people say they stress eat, but I don't eat at all when I get stressed. Like, I don't think about it because my mind is preoccupied. So I don't think about, oh, I probably should eat something. No, I don't. And so when I get like that, I don't eat. My body, I don't even feel hungry, but my body feels it, and then I get headaches. So that's when I'm like, oh, I probably am hungry. And that's what signals me I probably should, let's try eating a little something first and see if the headache goes away before I take any medicine. That's usually what it is. I haven't eaten. So lately, this what's been knocking out the headaches. I'll eat a little bit of something because I realized, like, with this new medicine, that's the only thing that's really been giving me a headache is when I'm not eating, you know, at all. So, like, oh yeah, I'm hungry. And then, like, certain food doesn't taste the same. Like, drinking a soda tastes horrible. Soda now tastes like it's been flat, like somebody let all the fizz out of it. It tastes terrible. I don't like it. And I've only been drinking water, basically, for months. So anytime I do drink a soda, it tastes nasty anyway. It tastes extremely strong. And I'm like, ooh, that's too much. So I don't really drink soda. I only drink, really, all I drink is water and lemonade, Crystal Light. That's it. So that's it, man. I don't really, you know, fool off too much with anything else. As far as, you know, eating or whatever. I meant drinking sodas and stuff. Wine is still good. Still do that. But I don't drink that too much because I notice right after I drink wine, my blood sugar spikes. So try to keep that to a minimum, you know. You know, I keep that to like just get-togethers, which I don't do often or whatever. But anyway, so anyways, y'all ain't got nothing else to talk about. And y'all know I don't believe in just talking, just be talking. So I love you guys. You are loved whenever you, excuse me, I cannot get it out. Whatever you're doing, be good or be good at it. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.